Hello there, colleagues. My name is Olga Mezentseva. I'm from Taras Shevchenko University of Kyiv. Let me introduce the results of our research. Customer churn prediction in the software by subscription models IT business using machine learning methods. So, customer churn prediction is one of the classic problems in deep data analysis. IT companies have long analyzed customer usage patterns towards customer churn. Many other industries, such as banking, regularly analyze customer behavior to predict their satisfaction and level of renewal products. So the purpose of our article is to analyze modern models and methods for predicting customer churn using machine learning, which can be applied to the products of B2B software by subscriptions IT companies. This will help companies to create, market, and scale IT products more efficiently, which can get increasing the efficiency of the enterprise due to the competence and also generally strengthen Ukraine's position in the global innovation market. And in this article, we used the analysis of customer outflow in the telecommunications as a basis for studying the software by subscription industry, subscription model. So customer retention is a company's ability to maintain a long-term relationship with the customer. And you may see the most formula of this most popular formula of customer retention rate. So for machine learning methods, it's necessary to collect training data, and the main task of which, according to this formula, is to describe the client as much detail as possible. The following indicators can be used for this purpose: social demographic data, transactional data, product and segmentation data. The target variable showing the probability of outflow obviously directly depends on changes in the client's transaction activity, as well as on the client category and subscription type. So the experiments were conducted using methods implemented in the Python programming language, and the effectiveness of the using methods is determined by accuracy of classification, proportion of objects that actually belongs to the class relative to all objects that are assigned to the class based on the results. To solve this problem, we used a deep neural network. It's defined as a neural network with several layers. In deep neural networks, each layer of neurons is trained on the properties. Deep learning based on libraries TensorFlow, PyTorch, MixNet, and Chainer, and usually used to predict customer churn in B2C. And in our B2B study, we used skip-learning and TensorFlow. So we have the model. This model has an accuracy of 79.2% according to today's data. You may see results of comparative analysis of machine learning methods for predicting customer churn on the screen according to training sample and test sample. So we have, as example, about 40 trees, and it was built full depth since the data are mostly not nosy, as you may see. So classifying is the most accuracy, and obviously buyers with low monthly payments is one of our data subscription model. Most likely they will remain customers. However, the total amount charged by the company and the probability of retaining the customer. And the reason why the random forest model works so well is that large number of relatively uncorrelated trees working together will outperform any of their individual components. The key factor in the weak correlation between the trees. Due to this, just as assumed financial investments with low correlations, for example, investments in stocks and bonds, are combined to form a portfolio larger than the sum of its parts. And conclusion, the paper analyzes modern models and methods for predicting churn using machine learning, which can be applied to B2B software subscription of IT companies. Among them, the random forest method is highlighted, and separated analysis of the deep neural network method is performed. The latter is due to the fact that this method is widely used in the field of B2C telecommunications. The industry experience turned out to be acceptable for different audiences. Thank you for attention.